Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing a trash to treasure video. These have become my favorite videos to do. I am most excited about this because I got 2 items from garage sales and they were only 10 cents each. So this is the table I'm going to be making over. It actually had longer legs and was really wobbly. I don't know why I don't have the footage to that, but my husband did have to cut the legs and he just cut them directly in half, and then he did have to nail them in place. And then I'm just actually going to be taking some Waverly chalk paint in white and just painting the entire little table white. I really want this for my front porch. I have yet to decorate for fall on my front porch. There's a couple of things, but I really wanted to be able to stick a plant or a mum or something on here. So this is what I am going to be doing with this.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides?
And then once the table was all dry, I just took a little bit of sandpaper and I am just distressing the edges and the corners, and I just really like the way this looks. And then also if I have like some paint dribble or something, then I just kind of sand it right off.
Behind the clouds, maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind?
And then I just picked up this polyacrylic spray. This is just to seal it, and I like this spray a lot better just because it is just so much faster and it dries really, really fast. And I don't know, I just thought this was way better than having to paint polyacrylic on, although it is the same price. I think it's $10 for a can of this at Walmart. And then this is the way it turned out when it is all done. I think this is so cute, and I love that it's short and small just because now it kind of fits right on the porch without being tall. And like I said, it was twice the size of this. It was super tall and bulky, and I just did not like the way it looked. This next one, this is kind of what inspired me to make these. I had a cutting board that I picked up at a garage sale for 10 cents. I sanded it down, and then I just took some of this Waverly wax in antique and I covered the front and the back side. I love these little risers, these small ones, the big ones, all of them. They have that little farmhouse charm to it, and I see so many people I follow on Instagram or on Pinterest, they always kind of have these on their hutches or their mantles, and I thought this was great. And then now I'm just taking 4 of these little wood pieces. These were actually toilet plungers from a previous DIY I did. I do tear some of my DIYs apart if they don't turn out or don't look good, and then I just had my husband cut them down. They are just under 1.5 inches. And then I am just going to be painting these with a Waverly wax in antique as well. And then I'm just going to be taking some wood glue and some hot glue and gluing them to the bottoms. And I did measure it out just to make sure they were all even. And I finally had somebody tell me that I needed to wet down my spot when I use the Gorilla Glue and the wood glue. And I didn't know that because I felt like every time I walked away from a project, it would come back all oozed out and dry. And now I know what to do. So thank you. I cannot remember whoever said that to me, but thank you whoever told me to wet it down. I will definitely be doing that for my next project because nobody likes the glue hanging out of the bottom, and you will see in the end that it is kind of hanging out. I do just need to take like a razor blade and just cut it off, and I think it'll look better. So you can see the bottom right hand corner. My flaws and my mistakes will help you guys along the way. So that's what it looked like when it was all oozed out.
Could it be to make the ground shine like gold?
And then this is sitting on my table right now. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I just grabbed some lamb's ear that I already had, but that was from Walmart, some pumpkins from the Target dollar spot, and this blessed pumpkin that I just got at TJ Maxx recently. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This just goes to show that you can pick something up and it is simple to redo. You doesn't have to take days and days and days. You can take a little table and paint it and make it something that it wasn't. But if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. And you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Until winter comes, until winter comes.